To stay updated, subscribe to TJA Academy.
Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. In this video, we are going to discuss what is research. There is a word hidden in research, that is search. Before moving towards the definition of research, search should be discussed. Now, search and research. Search is nothing but collection of information only. For example, a Google is a search engine, not research engine. You can find different types of data, different information from Google, but nobody says after collecting some information from Google that I have done my research. It means Google is a search engine, and searching or search is nothing but collection of information only. Now, what is research? Some students understand or have perception that if we search many time or if we search repeatedly anything, this is called research, but this is totally a misperception. So what is research? The first step of research is nothing but collection of information. It means search is a first step of research. After collection of information, we have placed all these information in systematic procedure. Now, what is systematic procedure? Systematic procedure includes steps for conducting research from review of literature to conclusion and policy recommendations. I repeat, systematic procedure includes steps for conducting research from review of literature to conclusion and policy recommendations. And if we ends up with the increase in stock of knowledge, I repeat, if we ends up with the increase in stock of knowledge. Now, we should understand first what is stock of knowledge. Now, stock of knowledge. Stock of knowledge exists in two ways: overall stock of knowledge and stock of knowledge in particular or specific context. When we discuss overall stock of knowledge before 2019 or end of 2019, nobody in the world knows that there is a virus called coronavirus. So when we came to know the virus is called coronavirus, so it is called overall increase in stock of knowledge in the world. And after finding coronavirus, we have also find their treatment or vaccination. So this is called overall increase in stock of knowledge. But on the other side, stock of knowledge increase in particular context. So let's consider a study which relates monetary and non-monetary rewards with employee motivation. Literature on human resource suggests that both rewards, means monetary and non-monetary reward, enhance employee motivation. This is generalized concept of human resource management. So for example, let's consider a sample of low income employees of manufacturing sector. From this sample, we have collected a data of non-monetary and non-monetary reward with their employee motivation. And when we end up our study, we have found that non-monetary reward is ineffective in considered sample. It means manufacturing sectors should not spend a lot of money on giving some non-monetary reward of low income employees, because they will not motivate with the non-monetary reward. So researchers suggest that give them some monetary reward instead of non-monetary reward. So on the basis of literature, human resource suggests that both reward enhance employee motivation, but in this particular context, result shows that non-monetary reward is ineffective. So this is increase in stock of knowledge in particular context. Let's discuss again research. The first step of research is collection of information, and when we place these all information in systematic procedure, as we have discussed earlier, and if we increase or if we ends up with the increase in stock of knowledge either overall or in particular context, the whole process is called research. In other words, research is the systematic process of collecting and analyzing information, data, in order to increase our understanding of the phenomenon about which we are concerned or interested. I hope this video helped you to understand the concept of research. If it is the case, then like and share this video and subscribe my channel TJ Academy. Thank you.